My dear students and parents, in this video we are going to learn how to write the multiplication table using the binary operation in the chapter Relations and Functions in the subject Mathematics to the plus 2 CBSE students. You can see this information on the board. The question is, consider the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A binary operator B equal to minimum of the set A comma B. Write the multiplication table of operation. In the chapter Relations and Functions, we are studying 4 topics. They are types of functions, types of relations, composition of functions and invertible function. Lastly, binary operation. In this sum, we are going to see the topic binary operation. What are the fundamental operations of mathematics? There are 4 types of fundamental operations in the mathematics. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this operation, we are going to find the binary operation. What is binary operation? A set will be given. In the set, there will be some elements. We can take any 2 elements and we should perform the binary operation as described in the question. After performing the binary operation, we will get a result. That result we obtained should be included in the given set. In this sum, the set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of these 5 elements, we can take any 2 elements. After taking any 2 elements, we should perform the binary operation. The given binary operation in this question is A binary operator B equal to minimum of A comma B. We have to write the multiplication table. Multiplication table is also called Cayley table because this table is described by Cayley. Binary operations. It is the operation of 2 elements. It is the operation. It is not the surgical operation. It is the mathematical operation. Here it is the binary operation of 2 elements. 2 elements of a set A such that the resulting element is also in the set A. The resulting element should also in the set A. What are the types of numbers? The types of numbers are natural numbers. It is also called counting numbers. That is, it starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. What are the whole numbers? The whole numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go to infinitely. The whole number is denoted by the letter W. The natural numbers are denoted by the letter capital N. Then integers. In the whole number, we cannot take any negative number. Only positive whole number can be taken in the case of the whole number, including 0. The integer includes natural numbers and whole numbers and also negative whole numbers. That is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. Then rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? The rational numbers are fractional numbers. In these rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, positive integers, negative integers are included. The rational numbers are denoted by the letter capital Q, not by R, not by capital R. Then complex numbers. You know that the complex numbers will be in the form of x plus iy. There will be one real part and one imaginary part. The special character of this complex number is I square equal to minus 1. In any case, if we square any numbers, we will not get negative. But in the case of the complex number, we will get negative number. That is I square equal to minus 1. Then real numbers. Real numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, that is positive integers and negative integers, rational numbers. The real numbers are denoted by the letter capital R. Capital R. Complex numbers are denoted by the letter capital C. Then, coming to the multiplication table, we are going to write in the row, that is in the heading row, the numbers given in the set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the first column also, we are writing the elements of the given set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this corner, the binary operation is denoted. As said in the sum, A binary operated B equal to minimum of set A comma B. This is A, this is B. We are going to binary operator these two numbers. The result should be minimum of these two numbers. What is the minimum of these two numbers? 1 and 1. The minimum of these numbers 1 and 1 is 1. Then we are going to consider the elements 2 and 1. When 2 is binary operated with 1, we will get the minimum number of these two. What is the minimum of 2 and 1? The minimum number of 2 and 1 is 1. Then if we take 3 and 1, what is the minimum of 3 and 1? The minimum of 3 and 1 is 1. Then taking 4 and 1, what is the minimum of 4 and 1? The 1 is the minimum. If we take 5 and 1, what is the minimum of 5 and 1? The minimum of 5 and 1 is 1. In this way, we can write all the entries. Then considering 1 and 2, what is the minimum of 1 and 2? 1. Then considering 2 and 2, what is the minimum of 2? That is the same 2. If we take 3 and 2, what is the minimum number? That is 2. If we take 4 and 2, what is the minimum number? 2. If we take 5 and 2, what is the minimum number? 2. If we take 1 and 3, what is the minimum number? 1. If we consider 2 and 3, what is the minimum number? 2. If we take 3 and 3, what is the minimum? 3. If we take 4 and 3, what is the minimum number? 3. Considering 5 and 3, the minimum is 3. Considering 1 and 4, the minimum is 1. Taking 2 and 4, the minimum number of these two is 2. Taking 3 and 4, the minimum of these 3 and 4 is 3. Taking 4 and 4, the minimum of these two numbers numbers is 4. 5, if we take 5 and 4, the minimum number of these two numbers is 4. Taking 1 and 5, the minimum is 1. Taking 2 and 5, the minimum is 2. Taking 3 and 5, the minimum is 3. Considering 4 and 5, the minimum number is 4. Taking 5 and 5, the minimum is 5. In this way, we can easily write the multiplication table of the given set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My dear students, if this video is most beneficial to you, you can share this video with your friends and classmates. You can also subscribe my channel.